points posteriorly as well as anteriorly. Remembering that we work on the anterior first, but we're also going to be coming across and addressing the posterior. And I'll put those in the PDF that you guys get. Where's my mouse? So the areas that we're looking at here, I wish there was a little pointer that I could do with this, but there's not. Along for the quadriceps, it's actually going to be all the way along the ribs, but the floating. So can I steal your, someone I stole earlier. There's less muscle on me and more overlying fat. So we've got, you can see the ribs through here. We're going to be on and just under. So there's floating ribs and then our fixed ribs up to the sternum. So I'm going to be on and just off. So that's the angle that I'm going. You can come along like that. And we're actually going to go all the way laterally to underneath the axilla. So that whole line through there. With there's a point at the back. So you're just going to be, you can work either with a flat hand or you can come in underneath the floating ribs along to the erector spinae, and you'll find little points housed in the lateral portion of the erector spinae.
Simone, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to test the quality and strength of your quadricep. The quadriceps actually a two-joint muscle group because it actually attaches right up here at the top of the ilium, and that's part of your hip bone. So we're going to test the strength there, but we're also going to test the strength because all the muscles come across your knee and come down and attach at that bone there, your tibia. So what I want to do is I want to take your leg up here. So we're probably too close to your shoulder, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit further away, and that way I know that I'm not going to make your hip flexors work.
That's really important to make sure that they're further away than a vertical femur. You've got to move them away so that they're not activating the hip flexor as well. We're really using much more quadricep.
All right. What I want you to do is, can you just keep your leg in that position? So don't let me move your hip joint and don't let me move your knee joint. Yeah? I'm going to put one hand just at the lower portion of your thigh and one down at your ankle, and I want you to relax your neck and shoulders because we don't want to cheat, and I want you to hold it there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can feel there's a bit of weakness there. Bring your leg down for me. I'm going to wake up the little points for your Chapmans reflexes.